Ready to take your career to the next level? It's time to unlock your potential with Microsoft Applied Skills. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an IT enthusiast, Microsoft Applied Skills offers you the tools to excel. With a wide range of certification programs, learning paths, and hands-on modules, you'll gain practical, job-ready skills in the latest Microsoft technologies. Imagine validating your expertise with recognized certifications in Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and more. Not sure where to start? Microsoft Learn has got you covered with role-based learning tailored to your career goals. From developers to data scientists, there's something for everyone. Why wait? Dive into interactive tutorials, engage in real-world projects, and join a global community of learners. Stay ahead of the curve with continuously updated content and keep your skills relevant in a fast-paced tech world. Transform your future today. Embrace the power of Microsoft Applied Skills and open doors to new opportunities. Start learning now and see where it takes you.